think is misguided. In fact, the United States is the only country on the planet that has suggested XRP as a security. The idea that XRP is a security, it has been traded out there for 8 years. It's kind of like, well, if it was a security, I guess we should have known that a long time ago.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another episode of 24 Hours in Crypto. And thank you to all my subscribers for commenting like I do appreciate every single one of you guys. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on post notification. We are giving away 1,000 XRP in total when we reach 60,000 subscribers. 10 lucky subscribers are each going 100 XRP. Let's get right into today's episode. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be covering the future monetary system that's coming from the BIS Innovation Hub. And this is so bullish, ladies and gentlemen. It just yells and screams Ripple XRP. But first, take a look at this. This is even more bullish than what we're about to cover. This is in New York, the ledger that never sleeps with the XRP logo. Because, ladies and gentlemen, we are very well aware what's coming. Ripple, leading regulation in crypto. And the trillions will inflow. They need liquidity. We need a value for XRP to maintain a high level of liquidity. And the only way for that to happen is the price of XRP must be high and it must be scalable into the trillions and in the future into the quadrillions. People are very small-minded and will not see the bigger picture. I know all of you, the 34,000 subscribers are watching and more, do see the vision. Hence why we are going to get rewarded handsomely. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. Go watch my previous videos because, ladies and gentlemen, XRP is going to completely melt people's faces. And let's get right into the video. So the key takeaways, okay? A burst of creative innovation is underway in money and payments, opening up vistas of future digital monetary system that adapts continuously to serve the public interest. We know that everything is changing. Take a listen to this. Structural flaws make the crypto universe unsustainable. As the basis for a monetary system, it lacks a stable nominal anchor, while limits to its scalability result in fragmentation. Contrary to the decentralization narrative, crypto often relies on unregulated intermediaries that pose financial risk. Again, regulatory uncertainty is still here, and that is why Ripple and XRP, they're bringing regulatory clarity to the whole crypto sector. That is just so big. I just cannot stress that enough. And let's get into another part. This is page 7. Take a listen to this, because they are very undecisive of what's going on here. In my opinion, let me know what your thoughts are in the comments down below, and I'll leave the link to this PDF so you guys can check it out yourselves. Stablecoins play a key role in the DeFi ecosystem. These are so-called because they are usually pegged to a numeric, such as a US dollar, but can also target the price of other currencies or assets, for example, gold. So, ladies and gentlemen, XRP, the US dollar even being pegged to the XRP, very possible, okay? In the sense, they often import the credibility provided by the unit of account issued by the central bank. Their main use case is to overcome the high price volatility and low liquidity of unbacked cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Their use also avoids frequent conversions between cryptocurrencies and bank deposits in sovereign currency, which is usually associated with significant fees. Because stablecoins are used to support a wide range of DeFi activities, turnover in stablecoins generally dwarfs that of other cryptocurrencies for now. Because, ladies and gentlemen, Tether, in my humble opinion, Tether is going to come down. There is going to be a moment where all these stablecoins are going to go absolutely berserk. The market is going to crash, ladies and gentlemen. What's happening in the markets right now, I would just hold off, okay? Because we could buy cheaper. But that is okay. Ladies and gentlemen, also know that there's a lot of people that are leaving this market. And this right now is going to be the last and final heaviest shakeout in crypto history, in my opinion, okay? The next coming months. Let's keep going. The third role of the central bank is to support the smooth functioning of the payment system by providing sufficient liquidity for settlement. Such liquidity provision ensures that no logjams will embed the workings of the payment system when a payment is delayed because the sender is waiting for incoming funds. Let's just use XRP for example. As soon as you send it, it's done. That's it. In seconds, it is done. Take a listen to this. To better serve an increasingly interconnected world, the monetary system also needs to be open, interoperable, and flexible both domestically and across borders. Just as economic transactions transcend borders, the monetary system will need to serve a seamless web of interconnected entities rather than sparsely connected islands of activity. This is where Ripple is going to have a major role, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? And we know this. We very well know this. At the customer-facing or retail level, the enhanced capabilities of the financial intermediaries benefit users in the form of improved interoperability between customer-facing platforms provided by intermediaries. Core to this interoperability are APIs, through which users of one platform can easily communicate and send instructions to another, interlinked platforms. This way, innovations at the retail level promote greater competition, lower costs, and expanded financial inclusion. Wow, ladies and gentlemen. So they still don't have anything, okay? They everything that's going on right now, it's a smoke show. And I can say that with a lot of confidence, and I know a lot of you guys will agree. If you guys just got on board to Ripple a couple months ago, 6 months ago, 1 year ago, if you're not doing any research, you're not going to know anything that I'm talking about. If you came this far, go watch my previous videos if you're new to the channel. For the rest of us that have been patiently waiting, and will be waiting, because we know this is much bigger than Bitcoin and Ethereum and all these other digital assets, okay? Let's take a look at this little diagram. This is insane. Okay, we have the central bank money, and we have the APIs, so Ripple API, okay, plug and play system, and then we got private sectors. So this would be the payment service providers, the PSPs, okay? And take a look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Central bank as a tree trunk supporting a diverse ecosystem. This is what we call tokenized future. Look at how it all interlinks back to, obviously, the APIs, but the thing is, which one are they going to be using? What is going to be interlinked is the question. But at this time, it'll all be speculation. But the speculation and the conspiracies around XRP and Ripple being a dominant player in the crypto sector will all arise to become true. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I do appreciate every single one of you guys, and we'll be back with...
I think what we're building has, it's solving a real problem. And I think all of the tokens, my advice to anybody would be, understand the utility. If there's real utility and there's real value being delivered to a real customer.
And now a word from our sponsors.
But I like hamburgers. I like hamburgers and chicken wings.